video showing you step 3 and how to initialize the triggers. Simply within the Sales Central Google Sheet Settings tab, if you go to Initialize Triggers. And once that happens, the script will run in the background and prompt you to run. Here we go. It requires an authorization, and this authorization will happen on your current Gmail account. The Gmail account, whether it's workspace and domain-led or the free version, you will need to authorize it using that. Now this particular prompt here says Google hasn't verified this app. Well, it hasn't, so therefore we have to do it. So you need to go to Advanced, scroll down and go to Sales Central. Again, you're within the Gmail account that you're setting up. Follow the prompts to continue, scroll down to the bottom and allow, and now we have the account aligned. So if we hit OK here, then we should see a successful initialization of all triggers, and triggers have been successfully created. So that's as simple as it is, within the Google Sheet, going to the Settings tab and following all the prompts from the time that you initialize the trigger.